How to get in the hood of your BMW X3 xDrive28i. And here's the lever. Oops, lift that up. Come around to the hood. On the right side of the emblem, put your hand underneath. There is a lever right here. Lift it that way. That releases this over here. And the back doesn't have a positive terminal where you can connect a jumper cable to. You can do it there. And I believe there's no negative, so just clip your other jumper to some of the frame. Because I don't see another terminal. That's it. Can't see the floor mats in there anymore, or the Trader Joe's bags. There they are. There's an extra quart of oil if needed. There is no spare tire in here, but there is access to the battery. But you cannot connect a jumper cable to the battery there, just too tight. I believe you have to go from the hood.